Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. First thing I want to do is say thank you and a shout out to all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you to anybody who comes in to check out my knife, my EDC content. I really appreciate it. If you're so inclined and you feel like you can, if you'd hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it really does help me out. So today we've got a mystery unboxing from US Warehouse in California, and I think this comes to us from Kansept Knives, but we will see. I'm going to use my Amazon butterfly knife to get into this. I need another blade on it. I'm making this difficult, aren't I? All right. So what we have here is a Kansept Mini Korvid from Kosh Tools in CPM S35VN and black and red carbon fiber. Very, very cool. So let's get into this. And see what this little guy looks like. If I'm not mistaken, and I don't think I am, the Corvid I know comes in a lot of sizes, but I think the Mini is the smallest, which is like amazingly small, if I'm not mistaken. That may be the micro, but they make a regular size Corvid. I had the Corvid X on here not too long ago. I've got the Corvid S, which is S35VN, kind of a mid-sized knife. And this here is the Corvid. I love Kansept's packaging, by the way. Slide that out. You've got your card with your care instructions, warranty information, cleaning cloth. You've got your troll candy, and then you've got the little slip. It's kind of a nice little slip, and you've got the knife. And yes, this is a little guy. Alright, so when it comes to knives, when it comes to fixed blades, when it comes to my jam, right? What is John's jam? Javon likes little knives, he cannot lie. So I happen to be carrying today a little knife on my belt, and it is the one that I get so much shit for, my Chickadee. So just to give you some size comparison, that is the Chickadee next to the Mini Korvid. Guys, I'm loving the fact that they made this knife. That's the Mini Korvid next to the Civivi Baby Banter. It's just a little pocket dropper. You got a little flipper tab there. You've got a front flipper, it looks like. Let's see. Is that a front flipper? Got a little weird front flipper. Let's see if I can middle finger flick it. Oh yeah. Guys, is that not the cutest, neatest little knife? Kansept and Kosh Tools. This is just the unboxing. You've got weight relief on your steel liners. You've got this black and red carbon fiber scale, skin, so to speak. And then you've got Mini Korvid on the blade, S35VN, Kansept, liner lock, drop shut. That front flipper I don't know, because it doesn't have a clip. This is just a pocket dropper. I don't know the best way to hold that. But, whoops. It does middle finger flip like a champ. Great little sharpening choil. Let's see how it cuts paper with this little bitty blade. Alright guys, the Korvid, just like all the Korvids I've experienced, is a tall flat grind. And this little guy, as small as it is a therapeutic slicer. Look at that. Whoops. And that tip is just absolutely, what a great little utility knife. What a great little pocket dropper. That's what that is. It doesn't even need a clip. I mean, it is just a little pocket dropper. Put a little lanyard on it. Does front flip. I know there's probably a trick to doing it. I'm afraid I'd flip it out of my hand, but you could just easily two-hand open it. You can use the flipper tab. You can use the fuller. Whoops. I don't want to throw it across the room. But it is just a little two-finger. I would call it a safe two-finger with a wonderful sloping choil. Because if you look at it next to the Korvid S, your design elements are carried over perfectly, with the exception of that flipper tab. So this whole hammer grip that I think makes this knife, this Koch Tools collaboration, makes it work so well. This Mini is both whimsical and cool, but it's also, I think, a great little fifth pocket carry knife. A great little, and I'll let you know after I've carried it for a while, because that's what I'm going to do with it. I think it's a fantastic little package. I think it's more than a novelty. I think it definitely cuts. I think it's got a very utilitarian blade. If you're just looking to pull something out and open a bag of cat food, or open a bag of mulch, or cut carpet, or cut anything, I mean, this is just a great little utility knife. Nice materials. I'm not sure what this lists for or what this is going to cost, but I will leave you a link to Kansept's website. I will also leave a link to one of the bigger retailers that has a lot of these in stock in different price points, so you guys can look at them. But I'll be doing a review on it. This is just an unboxing, and this is the Kansept Mini Korvid in S35VN black and red carbon fiber, sent to me by Kansept to check out. I really appreciate them doing that. I think it's an awesome little knife. I'm stoked to be able to try it out. Guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. All I ever ask is please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all.